Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful as well as a very sensitive poem, Basket Full of Moonlight. When we go through the poem, you will feel that the poem directly touches to our heart. The poem describes the problem of the villagers here. What kind of problems villagers must have to face? They live in rural area. They are far away from city, from the urban place. So they face lots of problems. Sunil Sharma put all the minute description very neatly and clearly in this poem. The poem is translated from Dogri language, and Sunil Sharma translated it in English. So, here is a boy. The speaker of the poem is a boy, and the speaker of the poem is speaking with the moon. He is asking moon, he is requesting moon, "Oh moon, please offer me basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight on loan." So, perhaps there will be question arise in your mind that why the boy, why the child is asking or addressing the moon, demanding the moonlight. Why the boy is demanding moonlight from the moon? The reason is that he lives in a village. All the villagers, for their daily bread and butter, for their daily earnings, they go to the city. When they return at night or in the evening, there is complete darkness on the road. The condition of the road is very pathetic, very dull. The road is not in proper order. The road is not proper to even walk. There are scorpions and poisonous snakes on the road. So when all the villagers return, they have to face lots of problems. And that's why the boy is addressing the moon, requesting the moon, asking the moon, praying the moon that, "Oh moon, give me basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight on a loan." कर्जाच्या रूपाने 1 टोपलीभर किंवा 2 टोपलीभर चांदणं उधार दे बाबा मला. It is a foolish thinking, you know. Is it possible that if we ask the moon and he will provide you seeds of moonlight? No, it's not possible. The demand of the boy looks very childish and foolish. असं नाही होणार. अंधार आहे तुमच्या गावामध्ये, मग चंद्र तुम्हाला चांदण्यांच्या बिया देईल आणि त्या बिया मग तुम्ही त्या रस्त्याने पेरल्या की चांदण्यांची झाडं उगतील आणि सर्वीकडे प्रकाश पसरेल. But this is the imagination of the boy. The boy is so small that he can't know, he don't know that it's just impossible. He just want to solve the problems of the villagers. He just want to solve the problems of his father. He wanted to brighten the road from where the villagers apply regularly for their work. दररोज या खेडेगावामधून त्याच्या वडिलांसोबत जाणाऱ्या येणाऱ्या सर्व खेड्यामधील लोकांचे समस्या त्याला दूर करावीशी वाटते. त्याला असं वाटतं की मी चंद्राकडून चांदणं घेईल, ते चांदणं मी रस्त्याला पेरेल, चंद्राचे झाडं उगतील आणि सर्व रस्त्यावर प्रकाशात प्रकाश पसरेल. What is the sincere wish of the boy? The sincere wish of the boy is that he wanted to solve the problem of his father as well as all the village workers who go to the city for daily work, for their daily wages, for their bread and butter. रोजची पोटाची खळगी भरण्यासाठी खेडेगावामधून शहरामध्ये जाणाऱ्या लोकांना रात्रीचा अंधाराचा त्रास होऊ नये म्हणून तो मुलगा चंद्राला चांदणं मागतो. त्याची एक अजून समस्या इथे आहे की माझे पप्पा सकाळी माय फादर वेंट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग अँड कम लेट ऍट नाईट, सो आय एम अनेबल टू हॅव हिज कंपनी. मला ते भेटतच नाही, मला त्यांची कंपनीच मिळत नाही. सो इट इज अ सिन्सिअर विश ऑफ द बॉय that he want to solve the problems of the villagers. That's why he asked the moon, "Oh moon, please give me moonlight. Basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight give me on a loan. I will sow the seeds of moonlight on the both sides of the path. Automatically there will be moon. There will be trees of moon and the path will be brighten and lighten." चंद्राचे झाडं उगतील आणि हा रस्ता माझ्या वडिलांसाठी, सर्व लोकांसाठी इथे अंधार नाही राहणार. दिस इज द सिन्सिअर विश ऑफ द बॉय. लेट्स सी द पोएम स्टांजा वाइज. आय एम रीडिंग द फर्स्ट स्टांजा. इट इज माय हार्टली रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. जस्ट forget all the mess, all the thoughts in your mind. Keep yourself aside. Just take a long breath and release it and be ready for the poem. See the first stanza of the poem. Oh moon, give me moonlight, basketful or 2 basketful, with the seeds of moonlight. The first 4 sentences of the poem tells us that the boy, the child, or the speaker in the poem asking the moon that give him basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight with seeds of moonlight. What is the demand of the boy? The boy is demanding seeds. SEEDS. सीड्स म्हणजे बिया आणि मूनलाइट म्हणजे चंद्रप्रकाश. हे चंद्रा, मला 1 टोपलीवर किंवा 2 टोपलीवर चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया दे. Why the boy, the child in the poem asking basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight? Reasons are given here. कारण खाली दिलेली आहेत. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path. सिटी म्हणजे शहर, विलेज म्हणजे खेडेगाव. शहरापासून तर खेडेगावापर्यंत. On the sides of the path. Path means way, मार्ग, रस्ता, रोड. रस्त्याच्या दुतर्फा, दोघं बाजूला. I want to sow many small moons of light. The boy asked the moon that, "Oh moon, give me basketful of moonlight or 2 basketful of moonlight. I wanted to sow, SOW, sow म्हणजे पेरणे, seeds of moonlight on both sides of the path. Small moons of light. छोटे छोटे चांदण्यांच्या बिया मला रस्त्याच्या दुतर्फा पेरायच्या आहेत. Why? The whole village goes to the city daily to work. There is the problem of job, the problem of employment in the village. Indirectly, the poem tells us the problems of villagers here. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It means that there is no job facility in the villages. सर्वच लोक खेडेगावामधून शहरामध्ये कामाला जातात. कशासाठी जातात? What is the reason? No any kind of job facility. What can one do there to eat, to earn, अ डेली ब्रेड अँड बटर. एका दिवसाची पोटाची खळगी भरण्यासाठी खेडेगावामध्ये लोकांना कामं आहेत कुठे? दॅट्स वाय दे ट्रॅव्हल अ व्हेरी लॉंग डिस्टन्सेस, गोज टू द सिटी, वर्कड देअर अँड कम लेट ॲट नाईट. This is the one problem of the villager highlighted here. All the people from village to the from village goes to the city to job. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. When they return, it becomes dark. सकाळपासून संध्याकाळपर्यंत शहरामध्ये काम केल्यानंतर when they return to their home, when all the villagers return to their home, it becomes dark. अंधार झालेला असतो. As my village is quite far. Far means away. Far means remote. Far लांब. There is a very long distance between village and the city. And the whole distance, the travelers, the villagers travel at night when they come at night to their houses, to their home. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. The boy is asking the moon, give me the moonlight, basketful or two basketful. I want to sow the seeds of moonlight on both sides of the path. Why? Because the path which leads from city to village is very dangerous. The path is not in good condition. The path has a big holes. And also there is a very poisonous snakes and scorpions. Darkness is everywhere. One cannot walk properly. And it is the daily work of every villager, including the boy's father. So he is worrying about his father as well as all the villagers. He is worrying about the darkness, and it is the sincere wish. It is the sincere desire of the boy that he wanted to remove the darkness from the path. He don't know that MSCB will provide solution for this. He don't know that he has to write a letter to the MSCB and they will provide the electricity to the village. He just know that the moon is shining, the whole village is shining because of the moon's light. That's why a little boy very sincerely asked the moon, "Oh moon, please offer me basketful or two basketful of moonlight on loan. I wanted to solve the problems of my father as well as villagers." Because on the road there are snakes and scorpions. The road is tough. खडतर रस्ता आहे. The road is why the road is tough? Because there is snakes and scorpions. त्या रस्त्यावर विषारी साप आहेत, विषारी विंचू आहेत. आणि अशा विषारी रस्त्यावरून माझ्या वडिलांना रात्री शहरामधून खेडेगावामध्ये परत यावं लागतं. Neither bus nor cart plies. The problem of transport, the problem of road, the problem of electricity. The poem highlights several problems of the villagers. You just write down all the problems in one corner of your notebook. Take pen and pencil in your hand. And while listening, while watching the video, while hearing the lecture, just write down all the problems when you come across at the time of hearing my lecture. Neither bus nor cart plies. कार्ट म्हणजे बैलगाडी, गाडी एखादी, बस. आणि प्लाय, PLIES, प्लाईज मीन्स व्हॉट? ट्रॅव्हल रेग्युलरली ओव्हर अ रूट, ये जा करणे. इकडून तिकडे ये जा करणारी. नायदर बस नॉर कार्ट प्लाइज. बस नाही, कुठली गाडी या रूटवर ये जा करत नाही. ऍज कम्पेअर टू विलेजर्स, द पीपल हू लिव्स इन द सिटी लिव्स व्हेरी कम्फर्टेबल, रिलॅक्स अँड व्हेरी सिक्युअर्ड लाईफ. समजा खेडेगावामध्ये एखाद्याला हार्ट अटॅक आला, एखाद्याला इमर्जन्सी आली, कसं काय येईल तो व्यक्ती? बस नाही त्या ठिकाणी, गाडी नाही त्या ठिकाणी, खेडेगावामधून शहरामध्ये यायला. तुम्ही चालत येणार तर रोडावर लाईट सुद्धा नाहीत. लाईट नाहीत तर नाहीत, रोडाला खड्डे आहेत. द रोड इज टफ. खड्डे आहेत तर खड्डे आहेत. द रोड इज ऑल्सो डेंजरस, नॉट सिक्युअर्ड. मेनी स्नेक्स अँड स्कॉर्पियन्स आर देअर. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. This is the sensitive touch. Longing. त्या मुलाला वाटतं की वडिलांना भेटावं. When early in the morning, when his father goes to the city, at that time the boy is sleeping. सकाळी जेव्हा ते जातात त्यावेळेला तो मुलगा झोपलेला आहे, आणि रात्री ज्यावेळेला उशिरा ते येतात, he is sleeping. So, indirectly the poem tells us the longing, a great desire of a little child to meet, to hear the fairy tales from his father. वडिलांना भेटायची त्याची इच्छा या कवितेमध्ये वर्णन केलेली आहे. When my father returns home, I am asleep. रात्री ज्यावेळेला वडील घरी येतात, उशीर झालेला असतो, मी झोपी गेलेला असतो. And he goes back early in the morning while I am asleep. See both the sentences. When he return home, the child, the speaker in the poem is asleep. Asleep म्हणजे गाढ झोपी झाली. रात्री उशीर होतो वडिलांना यायला, तो गाढ झोपी गेलेला असतो. And when he goes back early in the morning while I am asleep, while I am sleeping. पहाटे पण ते पटकन सकाळी कामाला निघून जातात, तेव्हाही मी झोपलेला राहतो. द बॉय इन द पोएम हॅज अ ग्रेट विश, हॅज अ ग्रेट डिझायर टू हॅव द कंपनी, टू एन्जॉय द कंपनी ऑफ हिज फादर. काही मोठी डिमांड आहे का मुलाची? काय नाही, मला फक्त वडिलांची कंपनी मिळायला पाहिजे, तू वडिलांनी माझ्यासोबत खेळायला पाहिजे, थोडंसं बोलायला पाहिजे, मला वेळ द्यायला पाहिजे. वडिलांची मुलाची भेटच होत नाही. दॅट्स वाय ही आस्किंग द मून, ओ मून, गिव्ह मी बास्केटफुल ऑर 2 basketful ऑफ मूनलाइट ऑन अ लोन. ओ मून, गिव्ह मी अ बास्केटफुल ऑर फुल ऑफ मूनलाइट ऑन लोन. चंद्रा, कर्जाच्या रूपाने मला चांदणं दे. लोन म्हणजे कर्ज. I want to light the dark route. मला तो अंधारमय रस्ता प्रकाशमय करायचा आहे. I just wanted to remove the darkness from all the route which leads villagers to the city. I just want to sow the seeds of moon on both sides of the path. So, O moon, give me basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. What will happen? If the boy sow the seeds of moonlight on both sides of the path, it is the imagination, it is the childish imagination of the boy that the seeds, the moon tree will grow and the whole path will become bright. The whole path will enlight because of moonlight, and that's why my father will return early at home. It is a childish but a sincere wish. पोरकटपणाची मागणी आहे, परंतु त्याच्यामध्ये सत्यता आहे. एका मुलाला बापाची काळजी आहे. एका मुलाचं मन बापासाठी तुटतंय की वडिलांना रस्त्यामध्ये काही होणार तर नाही अंधारामुळे, माझ्या वडिलांना सुखरूप येता येईल त्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, काय करावं लागेल. आता एवढी तर अक्कल किंवा एवढी तर हुशारी त्या मुलाला नाहीये की आपण काहीतरी अर्ज करावा, आपण काहीतरी जाऊन पुढाऱ्यांची मदत घ्यावी की काहीतरी लाईट वगैरे लावा बाबा या रस्त्यावर. ही डोंट नो एनिथिंग, एनी प्रोसिजर. So directly address the moon. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. I too want to hear fairy tales. परिकथा, छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी. Longing, a great wish of the boy that he wanted to hear a fairy tales from his father. माझ्या वडिलांनी पण लवकर घरी यावं, त्यांनी पण मला छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी सांगाव्या, परिकथा सांगाव्या. That's why he wanted to enlight the path. That's why he wanted to light all the path that leads the villagers from their village to the city. The last stanza. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon. He wants to sow, S-O-W, sow म्हणजे पेरणे. Seeds of moon, चांदण्यांच्या बिया मला पेरायच्या आहेत. So the poem highlights the problem of the villagers. There is no electricity. The problem of electricity is there. सर्वच लोक खेडेगावामधून शहरामध्ये कामाला जातात. द प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बेरोजगारीचा प्रॉब्लेम शहरामध्ये आहे, खेडेगावामध्ये आहे. द प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट इज देअर. रस्ता व्यवस्थित नाहीये, गाड्या नाही येत यायला जायला. सो मेनी प्रॉब्लेम्स आर हायलाइटेड इन द पोएम. अँड इन द लास्ट स्टांझा, द चाइल्ड इन द पोएम, द स्पीकर इन द पोएम asked the moon, Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow the seeds of moon. मला टोपलं भर चांदणं दे, या चांदण्यांच्या बिया मला पेरायच्या आहेत on the sides of the path. He wanted to sow the seed of moon on both sides of the path. रस्त्याच्या दोघही बाजूला मला या बिया पेरायच्या आहेत. What is the sincere desire of the boy? That if he will sow the seed, moonlight will grow there. And if the moonlight will grow, automatically the path will become brighten and lighten. There will be light on the path, on the way. That's why his father will come early and he can enjoy the company of his father. So this beautiful poem highlights the longing of the boy for his father, the problem of transportation, the problem of electricity, the problem of job